Hi everyone! I wanted to take some time to talk about how Magda and the Conscious Eating 101 e-course and her podcast have really affected my journey and inspired me to improve my health and take a step towards plant-based conscious eating. And I think it really all started when I was not happy with my life. I was not happy in the job that I was in. I was overeating. I wanted to lose weight. I wasn't happy with my body. But I was doing yoga but I wasn't really using it as a form of what it's meant to be. I wasn't really using it as a mindfulness way of connecting to myself. And I wanted to learn more about the practice and that's when I went in search of a podcast that could help me do that. And I came across the Visionary Lifestyle podcast, and it really opened my eyes to mindfulness and conscious eating and plant-based nutrition. And it made me, at the time, I was completely obsessed with burgers, addicted to sugar, and Magda really inspired me to want to do better for myself and for my health and to prevent any types of diseases. Diabetes runs in my family. My mom and grandma both have type 1. And I really was inspired by some of our conversations in this podcast, which led me to wanting to join the Conscious Eating 101 e-course. And I'm so glad that I did, because I learned so much about nutrition, because before I didn't really know how a plant-based vegan diet was supposed to work. I didn't really know what nutrients I was supposed to be getting, how a balanced diet really even worked, because I had been vegetarian before and I ate so many carbs and I didn't really know what to do. And this has really been a great tool for me, and will be able to look back on these resources for time to come, and I really have enjoyed it, and I love the recipes. They're so yummy. My favorites are the coconut lentil curry and the superfood pesto. And there are even a few that I haven't tried yet, but I am going to, and I'm very excited for that. So I think that if you get the chance to take the Conscious Eating 101 e-course or work with Magda in another form of coaching, I highly, highly recommend her, because she's had such a positive impact on my life, and I know she will have it on yours as well. Thanks for listening.